Namo Narayan. Welcome to our channel. Today we will be going to talk about a very deep topic. So listen the video carefully, and if you like the video, then please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. So let's start. I would like to start this video with one quote. Astrology is a medicine. Astrology is happiness, and astrology is a bright growing future. In today's age, known as Kali Yuga, the eighth house in astrology holds a great importance because it is connected to the hidden, sudden, and dark areas of the life. In a time where everything is fast and unpredictable, the eighth house of the Janam Kundli helps us understand these situations better. In this modern life, everyone goes through some kind of struggle, some on the other. The eighth house teaches us how to stay strong and adapt during the tough times. It builds our inner strength when things don't go as planned. Today, sudden events like job loss, health problems, or relationship issues have become very common, and the eighth house gives us the power to face these unexpected changes and handle challenges in a smart and stable way. Many people now want to understand the deeper meaning of the life, or, anyways, the purpose of the life. The eighth house is linked with astrology, tantra mantra, and spirituality. These helps us to connect with ourselves on a deeper level and understand life beyond just the surface. Nowadays, money has become a very big issue in Kali Yuga because it's the necessity of everyone. The eighth house also controls things like sudden money gains, inheritance, stock market, insurance, and other unexpected financial matters. It also teaches us how to manage money wisely and face financial ups and downs. Today, many people get stuck in short term or shallow relationships. But the eighth house also teaches us the importance of deep, loyal, and long lasting connection that truly matter in life. Health, on the other hand, has also become a major challenge in today's world. The eighth house not only points towards health issues but also guides us towards transformation. How to heal, how to improve our body, and become better physically, emotionally, and mentally. So, overall, what I've been talking is the eighth house in astrology is a tool to understand the unpredictable and hidden parts of the life. It gives us the strength to face tough times, transform ourselves, and see life in a better and deeper and more meaningful way. So, by this, you must have understood that today we are going to talk about something about eighth house in astrology. The eighth house shows deep and hidden things in our life, things that don't come in front directly. It controls our age, our secrets, our reason of death, sudden monies, our failures, insults, sadness, and so on. This house is also connected to cremation grounds, problems, and mysterious or hidden matters. Along with that, it is also related to foreign currencies, stock market, insurance claims, and even the national economy. The eighth house also tells us how, where, and in what situation a person may die. If good planets like Jupiter or Venus affect this house, then the person usually has a peaceful death. But if this house is affected by bad planets like Saturn or Rahu or Ketu, then there may be chances of accidents or stressful situations at the end. So the eighth house is like a hidden chapter of the life, which is not easy to understand, which is not a cup of tea to understand. If we understand this house properly, it can help us live a better life. So, we also call this house the house of secrets, the house of mysteries, the house of many other mysterious things. That's because it shows those parts of life that are not visible to the eyes easily. This house not only deals with the death and life, but also with the transformation, with the secrets and the sudden changes. Basically, the eighth house tells us how long a person might live and what kind of life quality they may have. If this house is influenced by positive planets, as I said before, like Jupiter or Venus, it increases chances of a long and healthy life. But if it is affected with negative planets like Rahu, Ketu, or Saturn, it can bring stress, it can bring many health problems, as well as short lifespan. Other than that, this house also represents hidden truths, secret desires, and hidden talents of the person. It shows what someone hides inside, things that are not shared easily with others. And the eighth house is also related to sudden events, as I said before, like lottery, sudden money gain, accidents, and major life changes, which are sudden, which you're not aware of and happen suddenly. Along with that, the eighth house is known for money that comes without hard work. It can bring inheritance, money from your partner, or sudden financial gains, or from sources like insurance or the stock market. And if we talk about effect on relationships, then this house shows deep and intense relationships. Deep and intense. But if a bad planet affects this house, it may bring tension or problem in the relationship as well, especially with your partner, your life partner. So, by the time I told you about 8th house and why it is so special, it is special because it has the power to completely transform a person's life. It is a chapter that makes us strong through struggles and transformation. Whether it is about money, it is about relationship, or even death. The eighth house plays an important role in everything. So, if you want to understand unexpected events in your life or find answers to mysterious questions, then understanding this house, this eighth house, is very, very important. So, today, basically, our video is on eighth house Venus. Your Venus will be placed in eighth house. So, this shows the deep and secret things in your life that are not easily visible. And this also tells about your age, your secrets, your reason of death, your insults, your sudden money, failures, and the sadness you may have. It is also connected to cremation grounds, problems, and hidden and mysterious things. So, in today's time, in Kali Yuga, the planet Venus itself has a big has become even more important because it is the planet of luxury, it is the planet of money, and it also gives us materialistic comfort and a luxury life. Today, everyone is running after money, fame, glamour, and a cool lifestyle. And Venus is the main source of all these things. Whenever we talk about luxury, whether your life will be luxurious or you will have money, or even about your life partner, who will be your life partner, how it will be, then first of all, we see your position of Venus in your Lagan chart. So, if Venus is strong in your chart, it not only gives you the chance to enjoy life but also helps you get respect and a special place in society. But here's the real question which many of you asked. If these people have money, if you have money, will it grow more or will that same money go away? Because the people who have this placement, a Venus in 8th house, face this thing much more, and they'd ask this question many times. So now let's talk about this question particularly and let's answer this. In astrology, Venus, as I said, is again considered to be the planet of beauty, luxury, and the married life. And a strong Venus gives you the chance to enjoy your art, your fashion designing, and a rich lifestyle, a luxurious life, which you even think. So, if you want to know how the 8th house and Venus impact your life, then make sure to watch this whole and entire video till the end. So, let's get started. Now, let's talk about Venus in 8th house. When Venus is placed in the 8th house, it makes the person very, very attractive and charming. Whether it will be male or female, their personality is so special that people naturally get attracted to them. Their eyes are deep and make strong connections. These people are very confident no matter how tough the situation is. They don't stop smiling. The 8th house is the house of sudden events and mystery, as I told you before. And Venus here can make a person a little secretive and deep thinker as well. These people often have an interest in astrology, spirituality, tantra mantra, or occult science and things that are unexplored. They try to understand the deep meaning behind in life. But sometimes, even if they have money and comforts, they may still face challenges. Yes, but they face challenges. I never said that they don't face. Just because they have a charming look and they are the master of secretive and deep thinking things. For example, if you become lazy or get into unnecessary fights, problems can increase for you. But always remember, every problem has a solution. You just need to right effort. Venus in the 8th house can bring sudden money gains. This money may come through inheritance, it can come through your life partner or your business partner or help from a woman. Woman is a very major part of your life, whether it is in the terms of your enemy or in the terms of your life partner. These people enjoy materialistic comforts a lot. But if Venus is weak here, then there are chances that there may be money problems or debts. If Venus is weakening, if Venus is weak in your chart, then you should fast on Fridays. This is the best remedy you can do. Chant the Venus mantras, the Venus beach mantra, or any mantra you would like and you're comfortable with, and try to avoid wearing black clothes. You have to start wearing white clothes daily. If you wear more white clothes, then your Venus will be more stronger because white is the color of Venus, right? Okay, now let's talk about relationships and married life. How will it affect how Venus in 8th house can affect your married life and relationships? So, this position gives you a caring and supportive partner. This is guaranteed. You will have a caring and supportive partner, no matter how it will be. Their partner can be strong, your partner can be smart, your partner can be financially independent as well. But if Venus is weak in your chart, then there can be some relationship problems or misunderstandings. You want a deep and passionate relationships. This is your desire. But sometimes your overthinking or insecurity creates many issues. Always remember, relationships become strong with trust and understanding, not with doubt or ego. You have to control your doubting nature and ego if you have to have a strong relationship. So remember this. Now, if we talk about in terms of health, and Venus in 8th house can cause health issues like kidney problems, hormonal imbalance, and eye related troubles as well. For women, there may be some pregnancy related difficulties too, but there is no need to fear health problems. With the right care and regular checkups, these can be managed. To strengthen Venus, you have to again donate white sweets on Friday, chant the Venus mantras, and follow a healthy lifestyle. Nothing is impossible. Impossible is even I am possible. So, do these remedies, or if you want to know more such remedies which are Shastrok and Vedic, then you can put a comment in our comment section below, and we will try our best to answer and provide with you the best to best remedy for Venus in 8th house. Now, again coming back to the topic, if we talk about in terms of spiritual and mental effect, then this position gives you deep thoughts and a spiritual vibe. They are often interested. You are often many. There's many such people with this position who are interested in a mysterious thing, mystery, occult practices, and meditation. But sometimes they make things unnecessarily complicated. You have a nature to make few things unnecessarily complicated, tough for you to handle. So, for this, you have to remember that life doesn't always need to be so serious. Sometimes it's important to keep things very easy. Let life flow. Don't try to control or hold on to everything. Otherwise, you will face many challenges and that everything will be complicated for you. So, remember this. So, this was all about Venus in 8th house. Always remember, this position brings depth, the beauty, and mystery into your life. But it also teaches you to maintain balance and handle things wisely. If Venus is weak in your chart, keep a fast on Fridays. Other than that, you can also worship Goddess Lakshmi and chant Venus mantra. Astrology is not to scare you. These all predictions are not to scare you. You have to accept your planets in your Lagan chart. If this position is giving you some on the other bad effects, then you have to accept it that yes, it is giving you the bad effects, and you don't need to cry on that. You have to do a solution for that. You have to do remedies. You have to follow some precautions. So you need a better guidance. So guide your life in the right direction, not in the wrong direction, and don't cry for it that this position is giving you some on the other bad effects. You are the one who will be very mysterious person. You have many good things in this position. You have depth in yourselves. You have a beauty. You have a charming nature in yourselves. And you have the nature of occult practices and many such things which even some people don't have. So, understand this position better. This 8th house is so much deep. Astrology is itself is a deep thing, a deep occult science. So you have to understand your planets and the houses. So overall, in the end, I would like to say that this was the deep and exciting video of Venus in 8th house, filled with charm, mystery, sudden gains, and many powerful transformations. I hope this video helped you understand how Venus shapes different parts of your life and even the 8th house when placed in this intense and spiritual position. If you found this content helpful and relatable, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who might need this wisdom. And I would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Do you or someone you know have Venus in 8th house, and what has your experience been like? So let's connect and grow together through the shared knowledge. And yes, if you haven't already subscribed our channel, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you never miss any future insights on astrology, spirituality, and life guidance. Thank you so much for being a part of this video, and may peace, prosperity, and happiness always stay in your life. Take care of yourself, stay blessed, and until the next time, keep shining, keep evolving. Jai Lakshmi Namaste.